In this lesson, we will solve question number 4 of exercise 1.1 linear equations and inequalities. And question we have that we have to solve this question. At the end, we have to find out which answer is correct. A, B, C, D it is. MCQs, multiple choice question. So as I have told you, if you have any integer in front of the parenthesis, you have to multiply with that number to whatever you have in the parenthesis. So 5 2 times 10, 5 minus 5x plus x negative 1 is equal to 9 minus 4x. So see, this is negative x, only this one. Negative 5x will remains the same on the left hand side. This x will remain same on the left hand side. Only this negative 4x we have to transpose. Transpose means you have to take to the other side, so the sign will change. It will be positive 4x. Only we have left 9 on the right hand side. Then we will transpose this positive 10 and negative 1. The sign will change. If it is negative, it will be positive. If it is positive, it will be negative. So this is negative 5x positive 5x, which is equal to 10 minus 10. So see, this is 0 equal to 0. It means which one is correct? All real values of x. If you have 0 is equal to 0, it means this equation is true for all the real values of x. So this C is correct, right? If it is not clear, you can ask me, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.